If you have an Android phone, there are probably several smart features you're not using yet. Because today, I'll show you some of the best Android features you probably didn't know about. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to turn them on. So, stay until the end because these simple tricks can make your phone much smarter and easier to use. Let's get started. Number 1, circle to search. This is one of the most useful Android features available today. To use it, simply press and hold the home button or the navigation bar depending on your phone. Then circle anything on your screen. With your finger, Android will instantly search for whatever you selected without leaving the app you're using. It's perfect for identifying products, looking up places, or finding information in seconds. Number 2, split screen mode. Did you know you can use 2 apps at the same time? Open your first app, then open the recent apps screen. Tap the app icon at the top and select split screen. Now choose your second app and both apps will appear on the screen together. This is great for taking notes while watching videos or chatting while browsing the web. Number 3, live caption. Android can automatically create captions for videos and voice messages. To enable it, go to Settings, Accessibility, Live Caption and turn it on. On many phones, you can also press a volume button, then tap the live caption icon that appears. Your phone will automatically generate captions while media is playing. Number 4, quick share. Sharing files has never been easier. Open the photo, video, or file you want to send, tap the share button, then choose quick share. Your phone will search for nearby Android devices. Simply select the person you want to send it to, and the transfer starts almost instantly. No cables, no messaging apps, and no internet connection required in many cases. Number 5, battery protection. Many Android phones now include smart charging. Go to Settings, Battery, Protection, or Adaptive Charging, depending on your phone. Turn the feature on, and your phone will learn your charging routine. It slows charging overnight and finishes charging just before you usually wake up. This helps extend your battery's lifespan. Number 6, magic eraser or AI photo editing. Open the Photos or Gallery app. Select a picture, tap Edit, then choose the AI editing tools. If your phone supports them, you can remove unwanted people, objects, or distractions from your photos with just a few taps. It's one of the easiest ways to improve your pictures without installing extra apps. Now, let's be honest, most Android users never explore the Settings app, and that's why they miss many of these incredible features. The good news is that most of them only take a few seconds to activate, and once you start using them, you'll probably wonder how you ever lived without them. So to summarize, you can improve your Android experience by learning how to use circle to search, split screen live caption, quick share, battery protection, and AI photo editing. Because honestly, these hidden features can save you time every day and help you get much more out of your Android phone.